This video will show you how to use XLReporter's Template Studio in Excel to create a daily summary report from real-time data. The report that we build will add hourly values onto daily worksheets, and we'll add those daily worksheets into a new workbook for the report every month. Okay, so to begin creating our daily summary report with hourly values, open up the Template Studio from the Home tab of the Project Explorer, and create a new template by opening up the XLReporter ribbon and opening Template New. Give your template a name, choose a blank report, and click OK. Here, the first thing that we'll do is add a header to the report, and we'll do that using the XLReporter Content Designer. So in here, I want to put the header on the second row. I want to have 9 tags in the report, so I'll reserve the B column for my date and timestamp, and then I'll move 8 columns over from there. Give my header a title. Then I'll assign a theme here. So I'll just use this default XLR blue theme. You can use that one or create your own from the Project Explorer. And then I get that header formatted according to that blue theme. So now I'll move my cursor into B6 and open up Data Connect. And you can see right here that my connection is already set up for B6, like I've clicked in. And what I'll do here is add a data group. So to do that, I'll select my real-time data connector. And then with Add Group selected here, I'll use the browser. And in here on the Columns tab, I'll browse in and get a live list of tags in the connector. So I'll take a look at the 8 tags from my mixer and extruder equipment. And then while I'm here, I'll run a quick preview just to make sure that I'm collecting data on all those tags, which I am. So good, and I can close and save this, and it's named after the template. And then I'll add it, but first I'll change my placement type to offset down the worksheet. And for my offset, because this is a daily summary and I want hourly values, I'll change that offset to reflect the hour of the day. Then when I add that, you can see that I get it again, a nicely formatted table according to the theme. But my tag names are a bit too wide for these default column widths, so I'll widen those up while I'm here. And then I'll widen up the daytime column as well. So now I can save this, close it down, and the next thing I'll do is assign a naming convention so that the report will create daily worksheets and put those worksheets into monthly workbooks. So I'll start by naming my template worksheet after the day of the month. And then I'll name my report workbooks after the year and month. So together I'll get a worksheet every day, and I'll add those worksheets into a new book every month. Now I'll add a schedule for the report, so it'll update automatically. And the action that I want is update worksheet. And the worksheet will use the template sheet that we've done all the work on here. And for condition, I'll just leave this default because it's what I want. It's continuously every hour of the day starting at midnight. And so to take a look at what the output's going to look like once we actually start generating this report, we can test it. And so if I run it here just over these 4 days, March 1st to March 4th, I can save my schedule. And I'll go check out the output just using the report open here inside of Excel. So here's my RT summary template. Here are my report files, which I just have one so far, but it's for March 2017. And inside of it, you can see that I have a worksheet for each day. And each of those worksheets has hourly samples from my real-time connector. And so the final piece here is just starting the scheduler, so this report updates automatically. And we can do that right from the Project tab of the Project Explorer using the Start-Stop control. For more information, visit us online at www.scitech.com.